Hi everyone, welcome back to my Dog Mom Days YouTube channel. Today I wanted to show you my DIY mosquito net for my 2011 Dodge Grand Caravan minivan. I made this mosquito net myself from a curtain panel that I found at IKEA, some super glue and magnets. It adheres to the top of my van trunk via these magnets. So what I like about it is this mosquito net is incredibly long, as you can see here. So I can actually hang it as far up as my trunk and it'll hang all the way down to the ground if I want it. Otherwise, I can adjust it to just hang at my trunk length. What I like about this mosquito net being magnets is I can have it really sitting at any portion in my van here. I can easily adjust it because sometimes I like to have that little kitchen portion open and just have the net kind of hang over the area that I sleep. So that's really nice to have it like that. And then it easily comes off, pull it down, good to go. Here it is. So here's the net, and this is what I did. It is a full curtain panel size, so I folded it in half, and then I super glued it together. And just added these magnets and super glued the magnets to the net. So I can use it and put it on anywhere on my van. So I also like to hang it on the side door here. Okay, let me show you. I just like to hang it kind of at the top here in this groove. So, magnet. I like to put it up at the top here. There we go. There we go. Now the curtain panel easily hangs. Can put it anywhere, nice and easy, no hassle. I mean, it seems kind of like a hassle because I have my phone in my hand, but it's very easy. When you're done, just take it down and easily store it anywhere. IKEA panel curtain, magnets, glue gun, less than $10. Easy to use, easy to store, inexpensive, budget friendly. Love it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for the next one.